Watch, watch, watch. You know the world, it's not a plan, don't it? You know a franchise is choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know when I come and represent for Gaza, you don't know a full effect thing. You don't know when I laugh with it when I sound the big thing, them and I drop necessary equipment. Right, Gaza Nation? What? Hear me no man? So what's this no man? Right now, you know, tomorrow Thanksgiving. Alright now, me's a man want the artists them know say. Let me tell you something. You know forgive thankful for the bloggers them on YouTube. You hear that? Me say you know forgive thankful for the bloggers them on all social media network and a lollipop thing. You know what I mean? So here me I say right about now. First me I go big up the General Vybz Cartel for them big bad whining song because you don't know my whining game up in the club with me and them girl in the lockdown. You know a devastatus condition. Worse when time, you know what I mean? War ride wicked, you know what I mean? Hard cracking backers, you know so we deal with it, we don't laugh with it. Watch. So here me I say, big up to the General Vybz Cartel for them big bad song there. Them going off for work, me have proper my general. Here we go on now. Big up to Vybz Cartel one more time. You know what I mean? Because the general come out on social media and big up a few bloggers and still, you know what I mean? Talk and put our next bloggers in place because him feel like him a destroy him credibility or lower him standard in a entertainment thing. What? You see what I deal with real way. Then me I go big up Ear to Boss. Ear to Boss, I tell you why me is a man love calling him and shout out like that. Because my sister you are real youth. And that's why I do that. You hear me? Because you don't know. I not even know how the general look. But right now, that is not a point of view. You know what I mean? I rate when I see your ass clot about. You hear that? Me respect what you're about. Because Ear to Boss are the first man I see come out from him life, you know what I mean, and defend the bloggers them and make artists know so well then you can't come out and not disrespect bloggers like that. And then I see every man start follow. You know why I'm wait looker? Because I wait for that day a special because I don't know how I can deal with my thing. But right now, I'm not going to take this thing in a literate fashion, you know. Because something real what I want the artists them for know and a lollipop thing. So here we go on now. We forgive thanks for all bloggers who want to see on social media network. Because here we go on now. We watching up on social media, you know, a whole heap of big giant artists, you know, come out, you know, and talk how much, you know, radio station ban them, you know. You see what I deal with? Say the radio station ban them. Watch this now, man. If you're not the leading promoter, you know, with the leading artists them I run with in a dance hall, you know, we go around, you know, and tip this jockey, you know, and selectors, you know, for play a song, you know, a dance hall at night time or upon the radio, you know, my brother. You will have a good song and you don't hear your song play, you know. And the whole on know that, you know. So that is not a lollipop thing, you know. A real shit that we man talk about, you know. What's so here me I say now, you know. Right about now, you know, my brother. When the bloggers them go on them network, you know, my brother, and take up any type of song or music video we're doing, you know, and review it, you know, my virgin. Remember, I just do that off my own, you know. How many bloggers you see on YouTube, Instagram, wherever you want, whatever network you want to go on, and you see them review artist song and review about artists. Do you ever see the artists them back in return and give the blogger that strength there? I say, well then, big up yourself, my general, for give me that head look there. Remember, pay, you know. Boy, you have to pay a selector, you know, and this jockey, boy, you know, to play them song, you know. And some of them get banned from certain radio station, you know. My brother, you know. I don't want to feel like when you can take bloggers, say pussy or bloggers or somebody when you can walk on like it's a bumper clot, floor clot or some shit. Let me tell you something, you know. Don't get this twisted, you know. I'm telling you about this fantasy thing on having on the brain, you know. Yo, And more than decades bloggers there spend US money in a youth. Una just boss what they are, you know. Bloggers drive everything we wanna think of, you know. BMW, rent, port, just name it. Cadillac. Bloggers do all of that blood clot, dog. When we dust come to some old school caddy we a drive pan 26 blood clot rims with the hyenas them. And what the fuck we not talk about? We shock some can go up and bumbo clock back wheel and all kind of shit. What the fuck we not talk about? We not deal with. And in spite all of that, we are all man in my brethren. We wanna feel like we can disrespect man for what? Remember we not beg on no dog. Although we black pan the YouTube, we not beg people shit dog. We not see what we do. We not watch man video. You know see meanwhile man they are work a gun up the money man still run them mouth on the tube. You wanna feel like man not go run with that man will never run behind the artist. We take care of our family by ourselves. We do everything for ourselves. And we don't have to know nothing at all in America not free. We don't come here and we don't see that. Nothing at all in America not free. A man lifestyle not cheap youth. So enough to understand on yourself, my brethren. So if you know the bloggers have problem, brethren, you come out and be specific and talk about why you don't have to deal with that brother the other way because he might do this and he might do this and he might do that. And let make the public see say well then the brother fuck up. You don't come out come talk about bloggers for suck them mother and about bloggers to get shot or whatever. You don't do that dog. Cause no man in America not afraid of them shit the dog. Every house and every building where you see in a blood clot New York a beer gun there inside it. No man not afraid of that man. Remember you know dog, we is a man you know. Dog we can just go in and just tell. Me not on a green card. Them take out that from me long time. But me a man can go in any one of them local store there and take out all my passport card and buy a gun if I want. You can't do that dog. Them think they come and assault to we you know dog. Remember, you know, we, you know, a youth, you know, we can step in the car mark, you know, and drive out the closest blood clot vehicle without paying $1 upon that, you know. That's how good man credit is, you know, that. And I have to remember, you know, me is a union worker, you know, and anything I say or anything I do, the union match that, you know. So right now, if I put up 20,000 for a house, the union have to put 20,000 to, you know. Nobody feel like man thing a lollipop thing around here in a youth. Nobody feel like say a games thing one on a see man boy here, you know. I don't nobody try that violation thing there, you know, because I don't know no artist as no bad man. You know what I mean? A man can defend himself in a whatever criteria. But I don't see no artist as no bad man. And some of you we are running no more dog. You don't walk alone. You think you come to America and walk on the street here alone? You not even walk on the street alone which part you come from, much less America or even in a Kingston, Jamaica. They're gonna stop get this thing twisted, you know. You know what I mean? And she, you know, you's a youth, you know. Me know say I must somebody trigger you off. So me I wonder if the man them where Black Rhino did a lick out pan and them come back with them thing. Me no know. Me no know what because you say you're looking now in the comment box and you see. So me no know where you see what she got you off like that. But she no use a youth to me rate from long time. Cause me I gonna bring you back how far, you know, she you know. So you gonna know, you know, see her from baby stage. Remember, you know, we give you the respect, you know, when you come to Alley Lane, you know, and breed some you daughter, you know. You breed some you look a pretty daughter. Remember we give the respect as a juvenile. Remember that, you know. So you know she, you know, from the ear when I say, you know, me thing and a lollipop thing, you know, from me I tell you how far the thing coming, you know what time it is, you know. You know what I mean? So, me's a man, you know, I respect me and show to you. And the man them I say, well then, them would love you apologize. You know what I mean? And you could come straight out who you talk about and you can't watch no boy. And I say, well then, the bloggers them are pussy so I feel like you enough to apologize because I think the bloggers them are small thing. But me tell you something. You know the star, you know, and the show and the concert wanna get paid for done, you know. Hear that? You know the star on that. I wanna the star evil on the track. Oh no vice pan. You see on international YouTube, are the bloggers them are the star. You hear that? Because you can't outgun the bloggers them with views. You hear that? So you for know what I do. You know what I mean? I know for sure respect forget respect. Respect is a bragging rights and not a bad up thing. I we not run behind people. So don't get it twisted. Another like the man them who are run behind artists to get a dove plate for PM for get some money or get a dove plate for can buy food put on them table. And I not like that dog. Remember I not like that man. I remember I know. A Vybz Kartel are the older artists we see come out and I give bloggers first class respect, you know. Just remember that, you know. You know what I mean? Because I'm smarter and more so, you know. You see me? At the genre that we are run dancehall right now. You know what I mean? At the easiest way for your artists get boss and Gully Bop done show you that already. You see me I deal with? I remember Gully Bop go on and is a man who run him out and disrespect whole heap of people. You see whole heap of bloggers turn against him and you see what happen. When you see what happen, right? Understand on yourself, my brethren. Now if you give respect, forget respect. You hear that? It not bad up over here, sir. Not over here, sir. If you can do that in a Jamaica or probably a hometown, we want to have proper concrete foundation because you don't have some local man around behind you. But you can't go now. Don't tell me say no man can left from to country. Go to Kingston, go lick no bloggers in him face. Me not believe that. Worse if I get a youth. Me not believe that, none at all. Because when me there at Kingston and me see artists, him no walk up and down alone. He have to come from the community there. He have to have a bag of blood clot man behind him. Because badness and artist thing are two different things. Remember, you know, the second ghetto splash we keep, you know. The second, remember the first ghetto splash keep. Me don't know if you know you know, you know. Craigtown it keep, you know. You see what I deal with? Craigtown it keep, you know. Remember the second ghetto splash we keep down at Craigtown, you know. Remember the wanted man, you know, when he Stella, you know. Rob almost the whole of the artists them, you know. I saw it have to stop keep down there, you know. So I don't want to get badness and artist thing twisted, you know, my brethren. So no show respect, you know, my brethren. I want to get respect, you know. You see what I deal with? Not deal with people like that because I have to know bloggers have them family too, you know. You see what I deal with? We are watch what go on, you know. So when you send people up underneath them mother understand what I do, you know. So if a man do something with hurt on, you know, come out personal and talk to the man about that, you know. But you know, come talk like every blogger say go suck them mother because some man now go take that from you, you know. Some man go want to send you back up underneath to the mother, you know. I don't know, lollipop thing, you know. I make me tell you something, you know. You know, by popular, you know. You know, by popular, you know, in a music business, you know. But me I tell you something, you know. I know so America run, you know, brethren. It not really matter, yeah, oh, you know. You can't come here and come diss anybody where you feel like, you know, my brethren. Because you don't know nothing about America, you know. That's why you have to walk with a bagger man. And that's why people have to carry you around. Because you don't know. You see what I do and where you go run go. You see a big building and house, you see where you go fuck you go run go. Understand what I do, my brethren. Life is not like that, dog. Stop believing in fairy tales. And think when you start make money, you can walk on everybody. It don't go like that, my brethren. And remember, you know, not every man bow out and sell out, you know. So you have to know what you do, you know, you understand on yourself, when you give respect and you get back respect. Don't try to bother up respect out of nobody. Because nobody now beg on no duff plate, dog. And nobody now beg on nothing. You don't understand what you do. Because you now come out back physically on social media and big up the bloggers and show them say you respect whatever I'm do. Any man will not see do that, you don't want to hold long on the thing. You don't want to hold it down, you probably DM him. When you now go up on the thing personally if you make people say, well, then you not show bloggers respect. A youth, a bucklad, Facebook Vybz Kartel do that, pan. You hear that? A Facebook Vybz Kartel do that, pan. So you understand when you look yourself. You know what I mean? And know how not get to. You know what I mean? Don't violate people like that. You're not gonna get treated like how you want to treat people. Nobody not scare over you, so dog. No be a big people. You say be a big people run social network. You say no look up your body, no look up people from that. Be a big people run social network, you know, my brother. So understand how you not doing that. You know what I mean? We know we not laugh with it, you know, my brother. We not gonna laugh with it, you know. We not gonna in them type of thing there, you know. You know what I mean? So me I say to all artists, entertainers out there, what me say, tomorrow Thanksgiving, right here, I think, uno as entertainer, have a lot to thank the bloggers them for. You hear that? Remember, I pay, uno have to pay this jockey will work on radio. I uno have to pay selector for play on a song at night time at a party. Respect the bloggers, you know, hear me I tell you now? You know have to give respect for get respect. At the general the 10-star one. And me I sound up that one a 10-star way. Cause you know me not laugh with it. Anytime I come and drop necessary equipment, you know the thing go already. A loud explosion. Watch. General 10-star. Watch. You hear that? Watch.